With iPhone, you can add a second phone line and use both lines on a single iPhone. Let's take a look at how to set up dual SIM. Before setting up dual SIM on your iPhone, you'll need to transfer an existing line or buy a secondary plan from a wireless carrier. To use dual SIM with a compatible iPhone, you can use one physical SIM and one eSIM, or two eSIMs with iPhone 13 models. Once you've activated your additional line with your carrier, you should receive a QR code or notification to guide you through the setup process. First, tap Install Cellular Plan at the bottom of your screen. Next, you can label your phone lines so you know which is which. Tap Primary to label your original phone line. You can pick a suggested label like Personal, Business, or Travel, or create a custom label. We'll change this one to Personal. Then tap Done. Now, tap Secondary to label the new line you just added. We'll use this one for Business. Then tap Done. When you're finished, tap Continue. Next, select a default line. This is the line your iPhone will use by default when making calls and sending SMS messages. Now, tap Continue. Now, choose which lines you want to use with iMessage and FaceTime. You can select just one line or both lines. Then tap Continue. Now select which line you'd like to use for cellular data. Cellular data can only be used with one line at a time, and your other line will be voice only. If you want to use the internet while on a call on your voice only line, turn on Allow Cellular Data Switching. Then tap Done. Now let's take a look at how to use dual SIM. To check the signal strength for your lines, you can take a look at the signal bars in the top right corner of your screen. The top bars show the signal strength for your primary cellular data line, and the bottom ones show the strength for your other line. Need to make a phone call? Open the phone app as usual and select a contact. If you haven't assigned a preferred line to the person you're calling, you'll use the line from your last communication with them to start new phone calls and messages. To assign a preferred line, tap the option next to Default under the contact's name, then select a line to always use, and tap Done. If you dial an unsaved number like a new restaurant, your iPhone will select your default line for the call. You can change the line you're using by tapping the gray bar with your default line at the top of your screen, and then selecting the line you'd like to use. And that's how you use two phone lines on just one iPhone.